Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today on How You Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice steamed cabbage and saltfish. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let's get straight into the video. So guys, I am going to start with my ingredients. So these are all the stuff that I'm going to use. A list will be in the description box. Guys, for my saltfish, I debone it and break it in small flakes. Then I just soak it for 20 minutes to remove the excess salt. Going in with some olive oil to saute my veggies. Going in with some diced onions. Adding the bell peppers to the pot. Now going in with some tomatoes. Right now I have my scallion, thyme and scotch bonnet peppers, but I'm going to go in with some scallion first. I'm just going to add my scotch bonnet peppers. So for the cabbage, I just nicely cut it in small pieces. You can do it to the size that you want. So if you want it larger than that, you can always do it. And if you want it to be thinner, like you shred it, you can also do that. Guys, don't worry if your pot look overcrowded when you add the cabbage, because the cabbage will reduce or shrink, so you will have enough space. Right now, just combining everything, then I will add my other ingredients to it. Going in with my carrots, then I'm just going to add the thyme. Going in with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I am using 1 tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm just going to add some black pepper. Guys, for the black pepper, just eyeball it. So you can just use the amount that you want. If you don't want any black pepper in yours, you don't have to add it. But I prefer to use black pepper in my own, so I'm just adding a little bit that I want. Right now, just combining everything. Then I will cover the pot for 1 minute so that the cabbage can absorb the seasons. After that, I will add my saltfish. Now that the saltfish has been added, my final touch is to combine the saltfish with the cabbage. Then let everything steam for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. I want the cabbage to be crunchy, so I don't want it to cook all the way through. There you have it, guys. Our steamed cabbage and saltfish is nicely done. It is all ready and ready to eat. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you next time. Bye, guys.